good? It's your boy, Slick Fresh. We back with another one, man. And you know we keeping this exclusive like always, man. But hey, got a sleeper cop this time for you guys, man. So, hey, this is a cop that I got, and I definitely thought that it was gonna be a pair that might have sold out. You know what I mean? I think it's a good look. But I'm gonna get right into this joint, and like I said, it's a sleeper cop. So let me know what y'all think, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And also, man, comment. Tell me what y'all really think of the shoes, if it's something that you would actually wear too. Like I said, I'm trying to get my Air Max game up, so this was another Air Max cop. So we just gonna take a look. And I haven't seen anybody actually do a review on these, man. I did see like maybe like a picture review or something like that. So, hey, we're going to get right into this, man. Go ahead and bust these things open. And you already know, I got them off the sneakers app. I order off there probably more than I order from any other, you know what I'm saying, sneaker, you know, website or whatever. But at the same time, I do switch it up. So be expecting this switch up very soon, you know what I'm saying? But definitely a nice cop, man. I'm definitely, man, you got it up in there this time. Just gonna bust that open. Say, hey, let me know if this is a cop or not, but man, I definitely thought this was a cop. And I might have just, yeah, that's what happened. I opened the box from the wrong side, so that's why it was so difficult to open, but yeah, we make it happen. But I'm definitely rocking with these, man. This the box that come in too. Pretty decent box. And these are the Air Max 97 Plus, alright? And hey, they said like the description of them was like bull shark or whatever, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, let me pull these things out. These things go, man. I'm like, these didn't sell out. I'm very surprised. Very surprised. But hey, every shoe don't sell out. So that means it's out there for you to buy too. Bow. Look at that thing, bruh. You already know these me. Size 12. But look at that thing. You pull them out. Like, this is my first time holding them in my hands and actually seeing them. But these things smacking. I'm surprised it wasn't more people like hip to these or trying to go and get some of these. But this is definitely a nice sneaker. I'm gonna get the other one out too. So if y'all interested in some nice sleeper cops, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and grab these. These was $175, so it was a decent price, you know what I mean? It wasn't too bad. But that's both of the sneakers right there. And these things, bro, I'm telling you, we trying to get our Air Max game right. And I would definitely think that this would have been a colorway that people like. It looked like it's like flames coming from the shoe. You know what I mean? It got like a fiery color to it. You know, but yeah. Look, check them out, man. Got the whole air bubble going across the bottom. And I'm really rocking with the 97s, man. I'm really rocking with the 97s. Like, definitely a pretty good cop, man. Bottoms. Yeah, man, this is actually my first pair of Air Max 97s too. The material right here, I hope, you know, you won't know until you actually wear them, but I would really hope that this material right here is, you know, just pretty durable. You know what I mean? It doesn't like peel off easy. I do like the shiny kind of like going around. Probably it's right above the lower, you know, sole of the shoe, but it's just a shinier material, black still, you know what I mean? But just kind of giving it a more pop around it, you know, as far as like bringing out that black color, even though it's hard to bring out like that dull color in the shoe. So I definitely think that they, you know, hitting. Man, gonna look like I'm walking around with some fire. You know what I'm saying? Some heat. Hey, but check out. Hey, you already know, man. Man, tell me what y'all think. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. You know we gonna keep it coming, but this is definitely a sleeper cop, and I definitely think more people should get hip to these, man. Hey, go get you some.
I got Gucci around my ass. Hey, these niggas in last